Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am here, your drawing teacher from Muhammadi Girls School for class 1. Before starting, I have some instructions for all of you. Kindly follow them. Be attentive and listen carefully. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. That will help us to mark your attendance. You all must attend the class because 100% attendance is compulsory and your attendance will be marked. Take care of time for attending class. Home tasks should be done in your fair drawing copy. If there is any disconnectivity during class, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. If you have any question, then ask in chat box. Keep practice copy, drawing book and stationery box along with you. Today I am going to take your class 1 subject drawing and our topic is object drawing. So here are some tips for object drawing. When you will start drawing, so this tips helpful for you. First of all, availability of complete drawing kit. Okay, it's mean all of you must have your color box, stationery box with you. We should keep pencil, eraser, ruler, sharpener, and color. Next is use a sharp pencil for drawing. When you will start drawing, your pencil should be sharp. Next, drawing should be clear, neat, and clean. Be careful about drawing. Drawing should be clear, neat, and clean. Each picture should be drawn in correct size. Okay, each picture should be drawn in correct proportion. What is the meaning? You will measure it any diagram correctly, then you will draw it in correct proportion. It's mean जब भी आप कोई diagram बनाए या कोई भी picture draw करे तो आपने सबसे पहले उसे जरूर measure करना है with the help of ruler. Okay, then use the space of the page provided for drawing properly as per requirement. आपको जितना पेज required है आपने उसके सेंटर में ही एक बॉक्स ड्रॉ करना है और उसके बॉक्स के सेंटर में आपने अपनी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, so here are the some tips. Take a screenshot. Availability of complete drawing kit is must. Use a sharp pencil for drawing. Drawing should be clear, neat, and clean. Each picture should be drawn in correct proportion. Use the space of the page provided for drawing properly as per requirement. Okay, object drawing. So what is object drawing? Object drawing is a picture created with pen, markers, crayons और other tools. Object drawing क्या है? जो हम पेन, पेंसिल, क्रेयॉन से बनाते हैं या हम डिफरेंट टूल्स यूज करते हैं और थिंग दैट कैन बी सीन, जो चीजें हम देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, विदाउट इमेजिनेशन. इमेजिन हम नहीं करते ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग में कोई भी चीज. जो चीज हमें नजर आ रही होती है, जो भी थिंग हमें नजर आ रही होती है, हम सेम वैसे ही ड्रॉ करते हैं. ठीक है, सो ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग इज अ पिक्चर क्रिएटेड विद पेन, मार्कर्स, क्रेयॉन्स और अदर टूल्स ऑफ अ थिंग दैट कैन बी सीन. So, when you will start drawing, you must have your sharp pencil, eraser, sharpener, color pencil, okay, ruler. This small line shows centimeter, okay. आपने आप सब अपने स्केल्स पे देखें, ऐसे स्मॉल लाइंस होंगी. ठीक है, so these small lines from 0 to 19 shows सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एंड दिस ये आपको ऐसी इन सेंटीमीटर लाइन से थोड़ी सी बड़ी लाइंस नजर आ रही होगी. ठीक है, सो दिस लाइन शोज इंचेस लाइक 0 to 7. Okay, so ruler, you must have your ruler and your book, honeybee art and handwork. Okay, these are the resource material. When you will start drawing, you must have your sharp pencil, eraser, sharpener, practice copy, color pencil, ruler for measurement, and your book. So, introduction. Today I am going to introduce the topic by asking riddle. Okay, are you ready? Hurry up, students. I am asking a question. If you know the answer, so you can use chat box. Got it? Question number one. Which fruit is called king of fruit? Okay, मैं आपसे riddles पूछूंगी, पहेलियां. ठीक है, अगर आपको उसका आंसर आता होगा तो आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बताएंगे. ओके, विच फ्रूट इज कॉल्ड किंग ऑफ फ्रूट? हरी अप, इट्स सो इजी. यस, इरहा, Saida, Almira, Ramla, very good. Answer is mango. Minsa, Jannat, very good. So the answer is mango. Now the question number 2. Name a fruit that start with letter A. उस फ्रूट का नाम बताएं जिसका फर्स्ट वर्ड A है. Hurry up. Name the fruit that start with letter A. Hurry up. It's so easy. Irha Wajid, very good. Apple. Shanzi Zaman, apple. Ramla, Irha, very good. All student good correct answer. Now name the fruit that start with letter A, and this is apple. So question number 1, which fruit is called king of fruit? कौन से fruit को king of fruit कहा जाता है? So it is mango. And question number 2, name a fruit that start with letter A, and it is apple. Okay, now the question number 3, which thing sails deep in the sea? जब भी हम sea में जाते हैं, ठीक है, तो हम उधर travel करने के लिए क्या चीज यूज करते हैं? Which thing sails deep in the sea? Hurry up. It's so simple. Yes. Camel? No. Anabia? Yes. Boat. And Faliha? Ship? Yes. Very good. And okay, Minsa, very good. So the answer is boat. Okay, now question number 4. What is the name of fruit that is used as vegetable? कौन सा फ्रूट है जो हम एज अ वेजिटेबल भी यूज करते हैं? What is the name of fruit that is used as a vegetable? Yes, Jannat, very good. Tomato. Shanze, Ilha, very good. Yes, student. Minsa, Faliha. Yes, very good. So the answer is tomato. Now, the last riddle is about which fruit has the same color and name. कौन सा ऐसा फ्रूट है जिसका कलर भी सेम होता है और नेम भी सेम होता है? Okay, hurry up. Which fruit has the same name and same color? Yes, Nabia, Irha, Minsa. Very good. The answer is orange. Saida, Almira, Shanze, Shaz, Zamir. Very good. So the answer is orange. So which fruit is called king of fruits? Mango. Name a fruit that start with letter A. Apple. Question number 3. Which thing sails deep in the sea? Orange. Question number 4. What is the name of fruit that is used as vegetable? Tomato. Which fruit has the same color and name? Both. So in object drawing today's our topic is mango, apple, orange, both, and the last is tomato. So, step for drawing an apple. Here are some steps for drawing apple. First of all, okay, hurry up student, take your practice copy and stationery box along with you and start drawing with me. आपको जो मैं स्टेप्स बता रही हूँ ये सारे स्टेप्स आपने मेरे साथ साथ ड्रॉ करना है ताकि जब आप कॉपी में ड्रॉ करें तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ठीक है, स्टेप फॉर ड्राइंग एन एप्पल. एप्पल बनाने के क्या स्टेप्स है? इन स्टेप नंबर 1, first of all, draw a circle shape like that. Okay, as you can see on your screen, this is the circle shape. Draw a circle shape using a round object like bangle. आप कोई सी भी round चीज use कर सकते हैं like bangle or any other circle shape. Draw in first step, draw a circle shape using a round object like bangle. In step number 2, erase the upper and lower side. Okay, erase the upper and lower side of the circle and draw a curve like that. This is the curved line and draw a curved line on both sides. Okay, erase the upper and lower side of the सर्कल. आपने सर्कल के ऊपर अपर और लोअर लाइन से थोड़ा सा इरेज करके इस तरह से कर्व लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, इट इज नॉट स्ट्रेट, इट इज स्लाइटली कर्व. Erase the upper and lower side of the circle and draw a curved line on both sides. Then in step number 3, on the upper side, okay, on the upper side draw a stalk and leaf. Okay, You can draw apple in 3 steps. Okay, in step number 1, what will you do? You will draw a circle shape. आपने स्टेप नंबर 1 में सर्कल शेप ड्रॉ करनी है. Draw a circle shape using a round object like bangle and other round thing. Okay, you can use. And step number 2, erase the upper and lower side of the circle and draw a curved line on both sides. In step number 3, on upper side, draw a stalk. आपने एप्पल की डंडी stalk draw करनी है and then draw a leaf. Okay, then you can see on your screen, this is the complete shape of apple. Do red color in apple, brown in stalk, and light green or green color in leaf. Okay, now the second object is about mango. Okay, second object is mango. Step for drawing a mango. In step number 1, draw a straight line of 8 centimeter. Okay, in step number 1, draw a straight line of 8 centimeter like that. आपने स्टेप नंबर 1 में सबसे पहले एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है 8 सेंटीमीटर की. And then around this line draw oval or round shape. Okay, in step number 1, draw a straight line of 8 centimeter, then draw an oval round shape like that. Okay, in the step number 2, in the step number 2, what will you do? You will draw a slightly curved line. Okay, ये आप देख रहे हैं इसके सर्कल. सबसे पहले आपने सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है, और ये जो सर्कल है इसके अंदर ही, ठीक है, inside the oval. Okay, draw a slightly curved line like that. Inside the oval, draw a slightly curved line like that. Erase the side line. Okay, then you will erase this line and then make a proper shape of mango. Okay, in step number 1, in first step, draw a straight line by ruler 8 centimeter. Okay, around this line, draw a oval shape. In oval shape, okay, in oval shape, draw a slightly curved line and erase this line. Okay, erase the side line, then make a mango shape. In step number 3, on the upper side, draw a stalk, okay, and leaf. आपने स्टेप नंबर 3 में ड्रॉ स्टॉक एंड लीफ. सबसे पहले आपने स्टेप नंबर 1 में एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है 8 सेंटीमीटर की, और फिर आपने इसके 8 सेंटीमीटर के अराउंड एक ओवल शेप ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, और इसी ओवल शेप के अंदर आपने थोड़ी सी स्लाइटली कर्व लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, ड्रॉ स्लाइटली कर्व लाइन इनसाइड द ओवल एंड इरेज द साइड लाइन, देन मेक अ mango shape. On the upper side, draw a stalk and leaf like that. Okay, and this is the complete picture of mango. This is the complete picture of mango. Do yellow color in mango, brown in stalk, and green in leaf. Now the third object is step for drawing a tomato. Okay, tomato we use as a fruit and also we use as a vegetable. So first step for tomato, draw a circle shape using a round object like bangle or any other round object. Okay, सबसे पहले आपने टोमेटो बनाने के लिए एप्पल की ही तरह, जैसे आपने स्टेप नंबर 1 में एप्पल में सर्कल ड्रॉ किया था, इसी तरह आपने टोमेटो में भी सबसे पहले एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है, draw a circle shape using a round object like bangle. In the third step, okay, on the third step, on the upper side, draw a stalk, okay, like that, and around this stalk, draw a leaf by using V shape. Okay, this is V shape, inverted V shape, and these are pointed at the end. Okay, draw on the upper side, draw a stalk and a leaf like that. ओके, आप मेरे साथ साथ ड्रॉ करें अपनी रफ कॉपी में. ओके, जब आप अपनी रफ कॉपी में ये प्रैक्टिस कर लें तो आपने एक फाइनल शेप ड्रॉ करनी है अपनी फेयर ड्राइंग कॉपी में. ठीक है, तो आप ये सब मेरे साथ ही प्रैक्टिस करते रहें ताकि आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो. In step number 1 for tomato, draw a circle shape using a round object like bangle. Okay. In step number 2, on the upper side, draw a stalk and a leaf like that. In step number 3, draw two curved line like that. You can see on your screen. Uh, Draw two curved line inside the circle like that. Okay. In the step number 1, draw a circle. In the step number 2, draw a stalk and leaf. And step number 3, draw a two curved line. Draw a two curved line inside the circle. This is the complete shape of tomato. And you can see on your screen, this is the complete shape of tomato. First of all, you will draw a circle by using any circle shape thing. Okay, सबसे पहले आपने circle draw करना है, then you will draw stalk by using curved line, and then you will draw leaves. This is the complete picture of tomato. Uh, you can use red color. Okay, you will do red color in tomato and green in leaf. Make a outline by dark green color and do light green color in stalk and leaf. This is the complete picture of tomato. Take a screenshot. Next step for drawing an orange. आपको ऑरेंज बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले क्या करना है, सेम जैसे आपने एप्पल में सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप में सर्किल ड्रॉ किया, मैंगो में इसी तरह आपने इन स्टेप नंबर 1 for orange, draw a circle by using a round object like bangle. Okay, for orange, make a circle shape by using any round object. In third step, in second step, draw a flower like that. This is the flower of the orange like that. Draw a flower stalk. जो आप देखते हैं ऑरेंज की जो डंडी होती है वो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल छोटी होती है, तो आपने इसी तरह ही ड्रॉ करना है. ड्रॉ अ फ्लावर स्टॉक हैज shown in the slide and draw lines, curved line around this flower stalk like that. In first step, draw a circle. It is so easy. In first step, draw a circle. In next step, draw a flower stalk as shown in the slide. In third step, what will you do? You will uh, draw few dots. Okay, draw few dots as shown in the slide. आप ऑरेंज सबसे पहले आपने सर्कल शेप ड्रॉ कर ली ऑरेंज के लिए, फिर आपने इसकी ऑरेंज की स्टॉक के लिए एक फ्लावर लाइक शेप ड्रॉ करनी है और उसके अराउंड आपने ऐसी कर्व लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, एंड देन जब आपकी ये कंप्लीट पिक्चर बन जाए तो आपने इसके अंदर डॉट डालने हैं like that. In first step, draw a circle. In second step, draw a flower stalk as shown in the slide. And in third step, draw few dots like that as shown in the slide. So take a screenshot. This is the steps about how to draw orange. This is the complete picture of orange. Do you like orange? Okay. Do orange color in orange and use light green color in stock. This is the complete picture of orange, and do same work as your copy. Take a screenshot. This is the complete picture of orange. Now steps to draw boat. आपने बोट कैसे ड्रॉ करनी है? In first step, draw a straight line of 8 centimeter. For making boat, draw a straight line of 8 centimeter. Then draw, first of all, in first step, draw a straight line of 8 centimeter. This line should be 8 centimeter. Then draw two slant line like that. Draw two slant line below this straight line of 2 centimeter. सबसे पहले आपने एक straight line draw करनी है जो 8 centimeter की होगी. Then draw two slant line. This line not straight line. Draw two slant lines on both straight line of 2 centimeter. Then join baseline of 6 centimeter. Okay. In first step, draw a straight line of 8 centimeter. Got it? In first step for making boat, it's so simple. Draw a straight line with the help of ruler of 8 centimeter. Then draw two slant line below the straight line of 2 centimeter like that. आपने इस straight line के नीचे two slant line draw करनी है. Slant line mean तिरछी line. Got it? Draw two slant line below the straight line of 2 centimeter. Then join baseline of 6 centimeter like that. Okay. Now in step number 3, draw another line. इतना आपने ड्रॉ कर लिया है स्टेप नंबर 2 में. स्टेप नंबर 3 में आपने क्या करना है? ड्रॉ अनदर line from the center of a straight line of 5 centimeter. Okay, first of all draw a straight line of 8 centimeter, then draw a two slant line of 2 centimeter, and this line below line joined with below line, this line should be 6 centimeter. In step number 3, what will you do? You will draw another line from the center of straight line. इस straight line के center से आपने एक straight line draw करनी है, and this line should be 5 centimeter. Then draw two slant line. Okay. In step number 4, draw two slant line of 5 centimeter like that. This is slant line. आपने थर्ड स्टेप में इतना ड्रॉ करने के बाद फोर्थ स्टेप में आपने इस तरह की एक स्लांट लाइन, तिरछी लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. Okay, draw two slant line of 5 centimeter both side like that. You can see on your screen. Fill the beautiful color. Okay, fill this board with beautiful color. This is the complete picture of board, and you can uh, use any color which you like the most. Okay, conclusion. What we have learned today, how to draw apple. Okay, आज हमने क्या सीखा बनाना? Apple, mango, tomato, and boat and orange. What we have learned today, we have learned how to draw apple, mango, tomato, boat, and orange. Okay, this is your homework. Draw an apple and color it. Okay, this is your today's homework. Take a screenshot. Question number 1, draw an apple and color it. आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में एप्पल को ड्रॉ करना है. टू साइड मार्जिन्स लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिखकर ये आपने नंबर्स मस्ट डालने हैं. ठीक है, जो आपकी कॉपी में आप इस पिक्चर का नंबर होगा आपने वो पुट करना है यहाँ पे. ड्रॉ एन एप्पल एंड कलर इट. आपने एप्पल के लिए सेंटर के पेज पर एक बॉक्स ड्रॉ करना है और बॉक्स के अंदर एप्पल ड्रॉ करना है. गॉट इट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ड्रॉ एन एप्पल एंड कलर इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ड्रॉ अ मैंगो एंड कलर इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ड्रॉ अ टोमेटो एंड कलर इट. Question number 4, draw a boat and color it. Question number 5, draw an orange and color it. This is your today's homework. Question number 1, take a screenshot. Question number 1, draw an apple. Okay, in apple you will use red and green color. Okay, question number 1, draw an apple and color it. Question number 2, draw a mango and color it. Question number 3, draw a tomato and color it. Question number 4, draw a boat and color it. And question number 5, draw an orange and color it. And जो मैंने आपसे स्टेप्स शेयर किए हैं उनको यूज करके आपने वन फाइनल पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. डोंट नीड टू राइट दिस स्टेप्स. By using this step, you will draw just one picture. Okay, this is your homework. Hurry up, take a screenshot. Question number 1, draw an apple and color it. Question number 2, draw a mango and color it. Question number 3, draw a tomato and color it. Question number 4, draw a boat and color it. Question number 5, draw an orange and color it. Okay, students. This is the end from my side. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and have a nice day.